Okay, so welcome back. Before we get started on this step, the previous step, which was our first step for lesson 20, I should have shared with you that I combined steps 1 and 2. So we are officially on step 3. Hopefully you still have your 3 R's document open. Let's save our 3 R's as 3 R's 2. Okay. All right. So step 3 is all about changing the slide view. PowerPoint offers 5 different ways to view your presentation. Currently, we are in the normal default view. So when you open up PowerPoint, this is the view that you will get. But we're going to look at other views as well. So scroll up if you need to scroll up and make sure you're on your slides tab. Click on slide 3 on your thumbnail, and then notice that you have that gold kind of border around it, which basically lets you know that this slide has been selected. Now click on your view tab, and in your zoom group click on your zoom button. You get a zoom dialog box and it defaults to 65%. Select 100% and press OK. So notice when you do that, you zoom your slide thumbnail slides are enlarged. Go back to your zoom button, click on 33%, press OK, and notice that the slides are reduced to the point that your text is not legible. All right, so click on your outline tab and notice that slide 3 is still selected. Go back to your zoom, click 50%, OK, and again you've changed the magnification of your text. Now let's click Fit to Window. So the slide pane is adjusted to fit within the available space, which is 63%, which is where we started. Slide 3 on the outline tab should have already been selected, and so let's go back to zoom, change it to 33%, press OK, and the text is reduced. But notice the tab size remains unchanged. The text was changed, but the tab side still remains at 63%. Click on your Slides tab. And click the zoom button. Actually, let's use our zoom bar down here and change our magnification to 50%. And notice that the Slides tab is reduced. On your View tab in the Presentation View group, click your Slide Sorter button. Here's your presentation group, Slide Sorter. And notice the window changes to show small images, but bigger than your thumbnails. So you're able to view your slides that way. Another thing that you're able to do is zoom. So right now we're at 100%. Let's zoom in to 50%. Go back to your zoom group, Click Fit to Window, and notice that your slides go back to 100%. Now let's click on the reading view. And notice that the reading view, if you scroll, it's kind of like slideshow view, but it's not. If I click, it doesn't allow me to edit my text in reader view. So you can use your arrow keys to navigate, or these little arrows down here, the little blue arrows. You can navigate using the little blue arrows, and notice it tells you what slide you're on here as well. Click on your menu button and move to the Go To slide, and notice it gives you the titles of each slide. Click on the 3 R's copyright. Go back to your menu, go to, and click right, and it takes you to the slides that talks about the rights. So that's another way to navigate through your slide presentation and read view. If you right click anywhere in the slide to display the menu, at the bottom select End Show, and notice that it takes you back to your slide sorter view. On the status bar in the lower right corner, you have your 4 views. Click on your normal view button, which is the first. Get that screen tip, and notice it takes you back to normal view. Go ahead and save the changes. You've just learned how to utilize various views within your slideshow. Save your changes. I'll see you on the next step.